Hello everyone, hope so all of doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Roblox not launching or Roblox is down again in 2022 problem on your Android mobile in 2022. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new in this channel. So to fix Roblox sign in or login problem on your Android, first of all just tap on settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.